Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use the Capri Sun Labels template over on Canva. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. If you're interested in the pre-made template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so after your purchase, you're going to receive a link that's going to take you directly to Canva where the template has already been pre-set up for you. Once you click on that link, you should see a page like this. It says a template created by Latoya was shared with you. Start designing now. And you can also preview what's inside by clicking these arrows. The first page is the template itself. The second page, you can see that I have provided you with some Capri Sun labels, logos in a few different colors here. In the last page, you can see that I have pre-set up the mock-up for you. To start using the template, simply select Use Template. Okay, so once your page pulls up, you should see this. Now, I recommend that you go over and make a duplicate copy of your page. That way, when you need to make a new design, you'll have a clean template. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the logos and how you would use these. You would just select the color that you want to use, right click, select copy, scroll back up, right click, and select paste. And this will add the logo to your label. Click on your label. We can change the color here. We can head on over to the upload tab and upload any clip arts, any images or backgrounds that we want to use in our designs. We can upload them here. We can make all of our labels the same, or we can just make a duplicate copy of the first label that we created and just copy them and add and paste them onto the additional labels. And you would do that after you finish your design. You would right click, you would group everything together, and you would make a duplicate copy. And that's how you would do that if you're making all of your labels the same. If you didn't want to make all the labels the same, you just go back to your label. If you wanted to make them different colors, you can make them a different color. And you could use a different logo if you wanted to. And you'll do the same thing for your other labels. So I'm gonna upload all of my clip arts that I want to use in my design. I'm gonna create my design and be right back. Stay tuned. All right, so I have uploaded all of the clip arts that I think I want to use in my design. And my clip arts may look a little bit different from yours. I have Canva Pro, so I'm able to save my clip arts in different folders. But if you don't have Canva Pro, you can find all of the clip arts that you just added right here under the Upload tab. All right, so once I have finished my first label and I want all of my labels to be the same, I will simply right click and highlight all of the elements inside of my first label here. I will group everything together and I will make a duplicate copy. If you wanted your labels to be different, instead of copying your labels, you would just move on to the second label and design your new label and do the same for the rest of your labels. If you decided that instead of using a solid color for your background, you wanted to use an image, what you'll do, if you already grouped everything together, you will ungroup it, select the image that you want to use, and you're going to resize it to fit your area. After you resize it, you're going to go up the position tab and you're going to push your image backwards until all of the other images behind it comes forward. After that, you can regroup all of the elements back together. I did also want to mention Canva has a lot of free options when it comes to fonts and even their elements and photos. But if you see a font that has a crown on side of it, or if it says Pro, it's not free if you don't have Canva's Pro subscription. So, and if you use it in your design, when you go to download this, they are going to try to charge you extra. It might be $1 or $2, but if you use it without having the pro subscription, it will try to charge you extra. So just remember to use whatever you use, make sure it doesn't have a crown or say pro on side of it. And that goes for the fonts, the photos, and their elements. So once you finish your design and you're happy with everything and you're ready to save it, you can click here to rename your file to something that can be easy for you to find once the file is saved to your computer. You can head on over to the download tab. You want to save it as a PDF. You can select only the page that you want to download, and our design is on page 1, so I will select page 1 only. I will click done and download. All right, next I wanted to show you how to use the mockup. You would simply select your design, right click, copy, scroll down, right click, and paste. You would resize it to fit. I'm going to ungroup this. I'm just going to select my background and I'm going to push it to the back. Now I'm going to work with my logo and my image. You see that little pink area? I'm going to select that and I'm just going to push it where I can't see it anymore. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching the video to the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. If you still have questions about using the template, you can send me a message over on Etsy if you purchase it from there. If you purchase the template from my website, you can shoot me an email. If you're interested in the template, you can find all the links in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.